Okay, Shravani, Deepika, Penal, Rupali, request to please turn on the videos. See, this is mostly about public speaking session, right? So the videos and audios has to come up, because without that, the session is incomplete, whether you do it here, whether you do it with anyone else, with your children or anyone. So the videos and audios has to be there. Without that, the public speaking session will not be complete, or it will not be fruitful. Yeah. So a very warm good morning to everyone. Myself Shami Akhtar, and yeah, I'm in education industry since last 7.5 years, serving in various subjects related to English. So this is an public speaking plus spoken English free orientation, wherein I will be throwing lights on what the subject is all about and how you can conduct your own sessions with the kids, not with adults but with the kids. Okay. Now, anyone here who is already taking public speaking classes or spoken English classes? Okay, let's first talk about public speaking. Anyone is here who is, at present or currently taking public speaking classes for kids or for teachers? Kanchan, good morning. No? You all can unmute, because I want to hear you all talking and interacting. Just allow people to talk whenever is the you all are clashing with each other, but I want you to talk, every one of you. So anyone taking classes, public speaking classes? No? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have started with my public speaking classes.
Is this Deepika talking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Deepika, what do you conduct in public speaking class? I mean, what age group do you serve?
The age group which I am working with, that is from 7 to 10 years.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. And since when?
This will be my second batch. The first batch I had taken last year in summer, and this is my second batch.
Okay. Is there any
And I've
background
just
noise
started.
coming? Is there any background noise coming to your side? Any one of you? No, no. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. One second. So let me pin myself quickly. Okay. I hope you all are ready with your notebook and pen. Yes?
Yes,
okay. Yeah. Now, very first thing is, when we talk about public speaking, what comes to your mind? What exactly is public speaking all about? And we are talking in only and solely in terms of teaching children the skill of public speaking.
The kids have to open up whatever they are having in the mind. If we give any topic, they have to, without stage fear, they have to open up their mind and they have to talk.
Let me write so that we can discuss points. Without stage fear,
right,
they should open up, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Confidence.
Confidence. Okay.
Creativity.
Next.
Creativity.
Brainstorming.
Brainstorming.
Overcome shyness.
Okay. Creativity, overcome shyness. Overcoming shyness.
Vocabulary they should know, ma'am.
And what else? Come on, you all need to speak up.
Vocabulary.
Eye contact, ma'am.
Yes.
Needed to
Eye contact.
Eye contact. Good enough. And
body language.
Sorry?
Body language.
Body language, perfect.
Accent.
Accent, okay. Anything else anyone wants to add on coming in your mind? Please speak up.
Vocabulary, ma'am.
Vocabulary, okay.
I think interaction also, right?
Interaction. Okay. So I think we have enough points to discuss. Now, talking about these points when we talk in terms of public speaking, kya hota public speaking, what is in your mind? So it is all about with us for the child being on stage and to open up without fear, confidence, brainstorming, creativity, overcoming shyness, eye contact, body language, accent, vocabulary, and interaction. But the big question is, ये सब आएगा कैसे? How you are going to build up all these things? These are important. Obviously, for a good public speaker, it is important to overcome shyness. It is the child has to be confident on the stage, brainstorming, creativity, whatever points is written here, you all have said perfectly all right. But ये आएगा कैसे? That is the biggest question. ये आएगा कैसे? Now your next answer should be how you are going to help a child to overcome stage fear. How you are going to build up the confidence in the child. Brainstorming, okay, that is again you can talk about in thought. The alternative word you can say is thought structure. Creativity in terms of bringing up the ideas in a creative way. Coming up, overcoming shyness, again here only. Eye contact, how there are children who are like will be able to speak in front of the public, however they will not be making eye contact, so they will be like putting their eyes downside and they will be speaking. So how you're going to build up the eye contact, body language, accent, vocabulary, interaction. Okay, interaction is also one of the thing. Now the question is how. Yeah, the points, if you have something in your mind, how.
Can I, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah. Initially, we can start with small topic like tell about yourself, your family. So that child can, show the picture or some creative craft where family tree he will present. He will try to speak about the members. Also, then in depth he can speak about himself or herself. Like, and while they are sharing their thoughts, we can just correct them, like make a eye contact, use your body language, like when you're describing that craft, suppose whatever family tree, a proper tree is there,
Okay.
so you should use your hand like this. So this we will start, and again for the next class when they are coming up with another model or any other way of presenting any other topic, so hopefully these points whichever we corrected in the earlier class, if they are using those points in the second class, then there is a chance of improvement. Again we can add on like this.
Okay. Yeah. So according to you, we are going to give topic to the child, and the child is going to present the topic, and wherein the child is making mistakes, we are going to keep on correcting them. Okay, now this is a question for others. Do you think this is the right approach?
No.
Suppose I have given you topic, you started speaking, right? And I am going to
No.
do again and again in the between. Child, you have made this mistake, change it. Child, you have made this mistake, correct it. Is this the right approach?
No, ma'am.
No. So
No.
what need to be done for this?
The first part I would introduce, the first class would be the self-introduction and introducing their own partner, talking about each other only, but not family or anything, because they're not prepared. They don't know what they are coming here for. I know I'm taking a public speaking. They don't know what is public speaking. So
Yes.
I will never tell them, आप शुरुआत में ही ये करो. I will tell them, अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ. 3 lines or 4 lines. That's it.
Okay. Now,
Probably your
public
favorite
speaking.
color. Okay.
Yes. Please go
Yeah.
ahead.
Sorry, ma'am.
No, please go ahead.
No, just continue.
Okay. So
So
public.
maybe I'll just ask them the name. Okay. You.
No, please continue. I want more of interaction from your side, because मेरे side से जो है तो है, but how will your minds open up? So I want you all to speak up. Yes, Sheetal.
Maybe we can tell the children to have narrate a particular story which is common, which everybody knows, so that there is good participation in the class, and then tell them to make a different version of the story by themselves. So there can be brainstorming by themselves to themselves, and they can come up with different kind of ideas. And if one comes up with that idea, automatically somebody else will also keep coming up with different ideas. That can also help in voice modulations and another kind of techniques where the pitching can be high, low, however it would be required in case of public speaking.
Yes, so these are
So small
the
activities, basically small activities of these kinds.
yes, so this is going to be one of the engaging session wherein you mentioned all these things. And yeah, this can be worked out as a warm-up session also, wherein all the children can participate equally and they can also brainstorm. But how we are going to do is not just by giving up the topic and letting them do so. There is a step-by-step process. Okay? So when we start with the public speaking session, there is not just the child will come to me or the students will come to me and I'll just throw away the topics to them and I'll ask them to, present it in front of the class or in front of me. How I'm going to do is that I'm going to do the sessions of public speaking in a step-by-step process. Now, what are the step-by-step process? First, we are going to talk about the pillars of public speaking. Now, not making them to write, though they should know, obviously they should be making notes, but first thing in public speaking is to make them do the practical things. Okay? So pillars of public speaking, they should be aware of pillars of public speaking. They should be aware of elements of public speaking, importance of public speaking, what are the process and what are the things that has to be kept in mind. Okay? The very first thing comes is a body language and confidence. Prerequisite, if the child is presenting the topic in Hindi, the child should be good in spoken Hindi. If the child is presenting the topic in English, the child should be good in speaking English. So that means, I would say little bit of grammar has to be there. Why little bit? Because they are small. If they are small, then little bit grammar is to be there. But if they are elder, like fourth grade, fifth grade, the grammar has to be good enough. Okay? Now, okay. Now let's do one warm-up activity and I want participation from you all. Coming to the next topic is a tongue twister. I'll give you one tongue twister and you all have to do that tongue twister 3 times. It's an easy one, okay? And there's just one tongue twister that we are going to do. And then I'll tell you why it is important, okay? I'm going to, okay. Let me write it on the board though. Or I'll say, I saw a kitten. If you have a notebook, please write it in a notebook. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
I saw a kitten
Or
eating
rather, I will share the screen. I'll give you only
chicken
one.
in the kitchen.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Can you see the third one?
Yeah,
I
right.
saw a kitten
I
eating
saw a kitten eating chicken in the
Now
kitchen.
write it down quickly in your notepad because I'm going to take off the screen because tongue twister doesn't have to be reading. Done? Okay.
Right, ma'am.
And I want every one of you to please at least participate once because just by coming here, listening things and going will not help you. Who will come first? I can see, okay, I'll call out the name as I can see the people on the screen. So first goes Kartika, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me take you on the screen. Yes.
I saw a
It
kitten
has to be
eating
on,
chicken
it has to be
in
with
the
a
kitchen.
speed. Don't pause, okay? Tongue
Okay, ma'am.
twister has
I
to
saw
be
a
without
kitten
pausing.
eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I
Good,
saw a
perfect,
kitten.
perfect. Nice one. Okay. There are more warm-up activities, so I'll be giving few of them different activities, so don't mind. Charu next.
Yeah, ma'am. The same one, ma'am?
Yes, only one that we're going to do for.
Okay, ma'am. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating
Don't
chicken in
read,
the
don't
kitchen.
read, don't read.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw
Okay.
a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Okay, perfect. Coming on to Kanchan. Kanchan, you don't have to do reading. Whatever is there in your notebook, please keep it in your mind. It's a very small one. And speed up. चारों से ज़्यादा speed होना चाहिए अभी. That is what is tongue twister. आराम से पढ़ने के लिए तो everyone can do, huh?
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Hold on. आराम से नहीं. Speed
Okay.
up.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the
You got it. Okay, next I can see is Sheetal on the screen.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Hold on. Seems you have been practicing this one, I think, since long, right?
No. First time I read it.
Okay, next goes to Gayatri. Hello, Gayatri. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Have you noted down that?
Yeah, I know that, ma'am. I
Yes.
saw a kitten
Don't
eating
read and
chicken
be
in the
fast.
kitchen.
Train छूट रही है, जल्दी से
Yeah.
बोलना है बस.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Perfect. Seems we have a very good teachers, huh?
Thank you.
Okay, who wants to try next? Please call out your name. I can see everyone on the screen. And then we'll move ahead. Who wants to try?
Can you
Shravani?
hear- Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, a little bit louder if you can volume up your device.
I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a
थोड़ा
kitten
speed up कर लो, train छूट रही है
I
यार.
saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen.
Okay. Fine. Now we all have practiced this. I mean, we have taken participation here. So what do you think? Why it is important for public speaking, or if we talk about it in terms of spoken English also? What is the role of tongue twisters?
Pronunciation.
So we should not mum.
Speech
No,
clear.
we should not. Yes.
It is, yeah, Charu said it absolutely right. This is for the pronunciation and the fluency. Pronunciation and fluency. So I will be giving you a list of 50 tongue twisters. Try it every day. Yeah, and give it to your children also. So it is to bring out the fluency and the pronunciation both. It is going to be helpful for public speaking classes as well as your spoken English classes. Okay.
Right.
Now, okay. As you all have your pen and paper, I want you to quickly write down a sentence. A sentence should be your habit. Something that you do on regular basis or every day that has to be your habit. Can be a present, past, or future. A small sentence. Quickly write down.
How many sentences are
One only.
has to written?
Only one.
Only one.
Yes. When you're done, just let me know.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone done? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here are the pillars, 5 pillars of public speaking. First one is body language. Second is voice modulation. Third is space, pitches, and pauses. Fourth is confidence. Third one is thought structure. And the last one you can write down my mindset, growth mindset. That has to be there for motivation. Body language, So how to build up the body language, how to improve the voice modulation, how to work on pace, pitches and pauses, how to build up the confidence, and how to help the child to build up this thought structure, and what are the things required wherein we can help the child to have a mindset, growth mindset. So these all things are covered under pillars of public speaking, and that has to be worked out with the child to be able to make a child a confident public speaker. Okay?
Which is the last one, ma'am, after thought?
Thought structure. Last one is, you can mention growth mindset. Growth mindset. Anyone who is not able to present himself or herself in front of the audience will not be able to become a good public speaker. So growth mindset is very important. Yes.
And what was the third one?
Body
What is it?
language, voice modulation, pace, pitches and pauses. Pace, this way, speed of speaking. Pitches, highs and lows. Pauses. Where to pause and where to not pause. Okay. Confidence, thought structure, growth mindset. Fine. Now you all have written that one sentence in your notepad. Now we are going to work out on emotions. Now, why working on emotion is important? Because to become a good public speaker, you should be able to present yourself in different emotions, using different emotions. So you are presenting yourself about a good topic, you should be happy enough. If you're presenting yourself in a topic which is not so good, you should be sad enough. So that sadness should be felt. It should not be like you're just reading like a robot. That has to come in your face, in your body, and in your gestures. So we are going to practice a small activity based on that emotional, we call it emotional game. So we're going to practice that one right now. And teachers who have already participated in the previous warm-up activity, I would ask them to wait and watch the other teachers who have not yet participated. Yes, and
Sure.
the teachers who have not participated, please come up and participate. Okay, so I won't be able to take the name though, but I would ask, request you to please take initiatives. So I'm going to share the screen. The sentence that you have written in a notepad is in front of you. I am going to display the emojis of emotions. You have to pick up that emotion and you have to speak the sentence in the same emotion. So suppose if I'm showing you a happy face, you'll say your statement in the happy face. One second. Suppose I'm showing you the emotion of happy face, you're going to say your sentence in a happy mood, feeling very happy and with a joyful and energy. Suppose I'm showing you a sad face, so you're going to feel sadness. So sadness should be visible in your face, your body language, and your voice also. Okay, understood? So there are various emotions. You need to work out on that. Coming on the screen, I'm sharing the screen of the emotions, and your sentence is on this in your notebook. One second. Okay. Now, when you present yourself on this emotional game, I want you to use your hand gestures. So bring your hands in front of you. Use it as much as you can. So one of the way of presenting in front of the public is to use your hand. जितना हाथ आप खोल के रखेंगे, public audience आपको उतना accept करेगी. In spite, instead of standing like this, still open your arms. Now arms कितना खोलना है? कैमरे के सामने है तो उतना ही खोलना जितना कैमरे को नजर आए. अगर मैं इतना कर दूं, मेरा आधा हाथ नहीं दिख रहा, that will not work out in public speaking. It can work out in different other sessions, but not in public speaking. So कैमरे में अगर मैं खड़ी हूँ तो my hand should be visible within the frame of camera. If I am standing on the stage, अगर बड़ा stage है तो wide enough, छोटा है तो इतना. So it depends. You are standing in the classroom, you are standing in front of the camera, or you're standing on a big stage. So you have to open your hands and speak and use the movement of your hands as much as possible. Don't rush into speaking things. आराम से बोलना है, but सोच कर बोलना है, ठीक है? So who is going to be first one? The teachers, those who had not yet participated, please come up. First one is your emotion, smiley. So this is happy face. Who is going to come up, please? Nilofer, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah, please participate.
Yeah, ma'am.
First, just in a normal tone, let us know what's your sentence, what you have written, and then try it with a happy face. So is it possible to turn on your camera so that we can see your expression?
Yeah, ma'am. Just a second, or I will participate in the next one because I'm just on my way. I'm just if
Who
you
is going
can.
to participate here? So you all are here to attend the public speaking session. So I was expecting you all to turn on your camera and interact. Me coming and talking on the topic will not work out, will not help also.
Can I try, ma'am?
Ma'am.
May I know the name, because I cannot see everyone on the screen. I can just hear voices.
Jagruti.
Sorry?
Jagruti.
Jagriti.
Jagruti.
Yes, 1 second. Let me take you on the screen so that everyone can see your yes, your expression. Yes, Jagriti. What's your
See
sentence?
the
Just read out in a normal tone and then
I have
yes.
okay. The normal sentence, the sentence is, I have a habit of eating one sweet daily.
Okay.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
is
So
indeed a
after
happy one. You got lucky.
so you can see, okay, one sweet daily after my meal.
Okay, now I want you to be more happy and more joyful, and seems you just had it and you're just enjoying it, so it has to be with more energy.
I was just having ice cream. So okay, I enjoy eating my sweet after every meal, and I just enjoy it.
Okay, good one. Now, Sheetal, you want to try? Thank you, Jagriti. That was nice one.
Yes.
Sheetal,
Mhm.
now first tell
Okay.
me, मुझे ये बता दो statement क्या है, because I'm not going to give you the same emotion. If you have written a sad one, I will not give sad emotion.
Okay. My sentence is I wake up early in the morning to cook a meal for my children.
Okay, so let me find out the something contradicting so that will work out. Okay. Yes, this one. Sharing on the screen. So what is this face?
Brown. I mean, it's
Shocking or surprised?
Yeah.
Surprise
Yeah.
face.
Yeah. So let me take you on the screen. Now you know the emotion. Sheetal, right? 1 second. Yes, go ahead. It has to be perfect one. If you want to rehearse, you rehearse.
I wake up early in the morning to cook a meal for my children.
Okay. ठीक है. Though that was like, yeah, obviously you don't like, nobody likes to wake up in the early morning, right? Especially mothers. I can understand. So can you say it in a very happy mood?
I wake up early in the morning to make a meal for my children.
Okay, good. Thank you, Sheetal. That was nice one. Who wants to Nilofer, are you ready? She's not there. Anyone else who wants to participate, please come up. Teachers, any one of you, because others are not participating, will not waste the time. Let's come up, whosoever wants to come up, please. Gayatri, are you ready?
Shravani.
Who is ready?
Can you hear me, ma'am?
No, voice has to be adjusted. Who is next? Please come up. At least name yourself so that I can find you and pin you. Kanchan?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written any sentence? You're already laughing, so I'm not going to give you this laughing one. I'm going to give you the crying one. You have to speak with a crying emotion. I'll show you the emotion as well. थोड़ा contradict होगा तो मजा आएगा, right? 1 second. Do we have the crying? Yes. Crying or sobbing. Saw that?
Okay.
Yeah. So Kanchan is smiling a lot, so I want her to do something which is contradicting. Madam, one second, let
love-
me pin you.
Again, first, should I shall I say the normal
Yes,
sentence?
yes,
whatever
yes,
I-
yes, yes, so that we can find the difference, right?
I love to watch creative reels on Instagram.
Okay, now this has to be coming up with a lots of tears in your eyes.
I
Don't
love to watch creative reels on Instagram.
Okay, that was nice. किसके पास और ज्यादा आंसू है क्या?
I try?
We want to practice on the screen, not in real life. Neetu, can you?
Ma'am.
Have you written? Who wants Devan? One second.
Try.
Yes, 1 second, 1 second. Allow me to pin you up.
I have written, but I'm not well. I'm coughing. That's
Okay,
why.
just allow me to. Devansh, I think, said something.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with the
Crying.
statement? Are you ready with the
Crying.
statement?
Yesterday I lost my purse, so I became very sad.
Okay,
Crying.
now I'm going to, you
Crying.
are going to work out on your smiley face now because you lost your bag and it has to be contradicting. Yes. Can you see your emotion? Can you see the screen?
Smiley face.
Yes. So you lost your bag. Now it has to come up with a smiley face and have to be very happy about it.
Yesterday I won the match, so we are all happy.
No. Your statement was that you lost your purse, right? Your bag. So that is the same statement that you have to use, but with a happy face.
Yesterday I got prize, so I'm happy.
No, Devansh, you're not understanding. Your statement was that you lost your bag, right? So the
Yes.
emotion should be sad one. ठीक है?
Yes.
बैग खोया है तो दुखी होना चाहिए ना, but we are working on contradict emotions. So what I am asking you to do it in a happy way, feel jolly about it, feel happy about it with a big smile on your face. I want you to participate, speak up the sentence. Who can do that?
Right.
Okay. Who can do that for Devansh?
I'll do it.
Please name so that I can pin.
Sheetal.
Sheetal, just let me find you out. Sheetal.
Ma'am, what was your statement? Yesterday I lost my purse in the market, no?
Yes, yesterday I
Yes.
lost my purse in the market and I'm very sad.
Yesterday I lost my purse in the market.
Okay, nice. It's all actually very good. Okay. Now, do you understand why presenting yourself with different emotion is important? Because so that you can present any speech come up, presentation or speech come up in front of you or your student would be able to perform it because you know your emotions. You know your emotions, when to feel happy, even if your day is normal one, you did not had any good thing to share, but if you know how to express your emotion, you should be able to perform that on the stage, right? So working on the emotion is important because you are and anyhow you're going to talk about different topics which will be having different emotions. News बता रहे हैं तो it has to be sometimes also exciting one, sometimes sad one. If I'm talking about a family tree or my family, it has to be a happy one. Obviously family के बारे में जब हम बोलते it has to be happy one. In certain cases, if there is some incident happened, it has to be a sad one. So emotions has to come up on the face, and obviously we are going to work out on the body language, right? Okay. Anyone else who wants to participate, or shall we move forward?
I would like to, ma'am.
1 minute, huh? Just a second. Please name yourself.
Charu, ma'am.
Charu. Yes, Charu. What's the sentence?
Ma'am, my sentence is I go to walk daily with my son.
So what emotion you want to perform here?
Whichever you give, ma'am.
Let me find out the nice one. Okay. Now this is nice. You will go somewhere with your son, right?
Yeah, for walk.
So can you see the screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
So this is a confused emotion wherein you're confused. Now you're going with the son, you're confused. Am I going with my own son? या फिर किसी और का son? Okay, got it?
Yeah, right, ma'am.
Yeah, so little bit of Gajni types. You forgot कि अपने ही बच्चे के साथ जा रहे हैं किसी और के.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, please go ahead.
I go with my son to walk daily.
Lost the memory. Yes, good one. Okay, nice everyone. Okay, and thanks for participating, because without participation the session cannot be cannot be taken. Okay, okay, a little bit of yes. Have you written these pillars of public speaking?
Right, ma'am.
Yeah, so
Okay.
let's talk about a little bit about this body language. The elements of body language includes, I'm not going to write on the board so you can make your notes. The elements of body language includes your hand movements, the way I am using again and again. Move your hands, as I told. If you're standing in front of the camera, your hand should be visible in the camera. If you're standing on a big stage, widen your hands. Hands movement shows your confidence. Okay? And your body movement, as in walking on the stage. Now, walking on the stage doesn't mean that ki continuously are doing walking like a brisk walking ki morning mein jab hum walk karte hain. It has to be slow and steady so that, audience can actually see you walking through on the stage, and they can also, connect with you. Should not be running around that. जब हमारे audience हमें देख रहे हैं तो they should be like, whatever we are delivering the content, they should be able to understand that. ये नहीं कि इधर से जा रहा है, उधर से जा रहा है, वो देखने में time निकल गया and what he said was nothing. समझ नहीं आया कुछ. ठीक है? Okay, body line movement on the stage, your hand gestures, that is your hand movements. Coming on to voice modulation का एक warm up activity that we will be doing in some time. So working on your voice, you're keeping up your voice on the pace of whatever content you have. If you're entering, when you're entering on the stage, it has to be energetic one. Okay? Obviously, most of the time our topic is going to be something in positive sense, so we have to enter the stage in a very with a very energetic mode, and take a pause, let the audience absorb that you are coming with an energy and lots of motivation that you're going to give, and you have lots of information to pass to the audience. ठीक है? तो जाते के साथ तुरंत में नहीं शुरू हो जाना है. Go with an energy, take some pause, greet the audience, and then we'll start with the content. Okay? Now, how the content has to be started, that is also another part that we cannot cover today, but definitely sometime. Okay? Pace, speeches, and pauses.
Can I clear one thing, ma'am?
Yes.
Voice modulation basically means like speaking on a high pitch, right? When entering, you should speak on a high pitch.
When you're voice modulation means voice intonation, यहाँ पे हमारा कहीं पे high pitch होगा, कहीं पे medium pitch होगा, कहीं पे low pitch होगा. Again, there is a voice meter, और एक voice meter होता है. So everything cannot be covered here. एक voice meter होता है जिसमें 5 levels होते हैं. So उसमें अलग-अलग levels होते हैं. So it has to be voice modulation का मतलब कहीं पे हमको energy के साथ बोलना है, कहीं पे हमको normal बोलना है, कहीं पे हमको थोड़ा slow बोलना है, कहीं पे sad होके बोलना है. तो modulation is according to the situation, whatever tone you are going to work out. So voice modulation means tonality also.
Okay. So basically all the depth is covered inside your course, right?
Yes, obviously everything cannot be covered in one session. You can upper layer so that even if you want to start up your session, if you can work out on your own self, you can do that. Okay?
Right.
So voice, so voice modulation means tonality according to the situations, how you're going to go with a high volume or low medium, normal volume or low volume, and according to the situation, is it a happy one, sad one, shocking one? The voice modulation वो हमारा change करना है. ठीक है? Now next is pace, pitches, and pauses. So these are 3 P's. Pace means according to the pace of the audience. अगर बच्चे हैं थोड़ा आराम से, audience है थोड़ा सा speed कर सकते हैं, but again pace means the audience should be able to understand and absorb whatever we are saying. ठीक है? Pace का मतलब है आराम से बोलना, on the level of the speed जहाँ पे हमारा audience हमको समझ सके. बहुत ज्यादा fast नहीं जाना है और इतना भी slow नहीं जाना है कि audience को नींद आने लगे. So pace has to be maintained. Pitches, again, it is similar to the voice modulation. Pitches, अगर मैं किसी को motivate करने आ रही हूँ, तो maybe मुझे motivational quote बोलना होगा बार-बार, and then my pitch has to go high. ठीक है? अगर मैंने कुछ when I'm delivering my content, normal content, it has to be in a normal pitch, normal voice. Please ask yourself whatever okay. Okay. So pitch again, अगर मोटिवेशन करना है तो हाई पिच होगा, डिलीवरी है नॉर्मल पिच होगा, ठीक है? कहीं पे हमको ज्यादा स्ट्रेस करना होगा किसी वर्ड्स पे, कहीं पे हमको कम स्ट्रेस करना होगा. दैट इज ऑल कवर्ड इन पिचेस. Pauses. Now pauses are very important. Pauses are very important. Where to take the pause and where not to take the pause, where to take a little bit of pause and where to take more pause. And okay, now I'm writing one sentence on the screen. And you all can try, or if you want to participate, you can speak up with different pauses in the sentence. Okay. I'm going to write without any comma, without any full stop, without any punctuation mark. You can try taking pauses wherever you require. You feel to adjust, okay? Woman without her man is incomplete. Okay. Now this is a normal statement wherein the pauses can, with the pauses, the sense of the sentence can change. If I put here, without a woman, without her, man is incomplete. That means we are talking in terms of man, कि man जो है वो women के बिना incomplete है. Okay. Now, if I put here without her, women without her, man is incomplete. Again, the statement is focusing more stress on the woman. कि woman कितनी important है हमारे लिए, because उसके बिना man is incomplete. ठीक है? And here, woman without her man is incomplete. That means यहाँ पे we have a sentence wherein the man, a woman is incomplete without man. Women without her man is incomplete. यहाँ पे सेंस पूरा उल्टा हो जा रहा है, जहाँ पे women को फोकस हो रहा है because वो अपने man के बिना incomplete है. तो सेंटेंस का मीनिंग ये चेंज हो जाता है with the pauses and the punctuations. ठीक है? So this is what we talk in when we talk about pauses. This is what happens in pauses. हमको जहाँ पे पॉज लेना, अगर वहां पे पॉज नहीं लिया, सेंटेंस का पूरा मीनिंग चेंज हो जाने वाला है. ठीक है? Okay, I've rubbed it. We have covered. Next was what was
Confidence.
Confidence. Obviously, confidence can be worked out only when we motivate the child and give rehearsal enough to be to present on the stage. But uske liye bhi we need lots of practice wherein we are going to give the topic to the child and tell them to feel confident. And the process to feel confident is that we are going to give them, first the teacher is going to present a small topic with obviously all the body language, the pitches, the highs and lows, and the hand movements, everything. The best, one of the most important ingredient of confidence is eye contact. अगर किसी ने eye contact नहीं किया, वो कितना भी अच्छा बोल रहा होगा, the person will not look confident. ठीक है? अगर मैं यहाँ पे पूरी डिलीवरी कर दूं नीचे देखकर, you might think कि maybe I'm reading or I'm not feeling confident. तो कोई कितना भी अच्छा बोल रहा होगा, eye contact has to be there. Without eye contact, confidence is incomplete. So we have to teach children to maintain the eye contact. Now that comes, now that comes with the practice, obviously. What you can do is you can ask the child to practice in front of the mirror. You can ask the child to practice in front of the camera. You can ask the child to practice in front of the family members. And then classroom practice obviously रहता ही रहता है. But these are the three things that is required to build up to get more practice. ठीक है? Last one was what was that, Acharu? Can you please remind?
Thought structure, ma'am. Thought structure.
Yes, thought structure. When you are entering on the stage or the classroom or in front of any audience, your audience can be one person also. And thought structure होने के लिए the presenter has to be very calm, without any nervousness. ठीक है. Now to overcome this thought, build up this thought structure, two things are required. One is preparation, other one is practice. Preparation and practice. So preparation has to be there. अभी ये नहीं कि मैंने impromptu दिया तो वहां पे the child can present or the child may not be able to present. But अगर मुझे वहां पे thought structure, मेरा speech लंबा है और my topic is a lengthy one, I need to prepare my topic, ठीक है, and need to practice. अभी ये टॉपिक जो प्रैक्टिस करना है वो प्रेजेंट करना है, दैट हैज टू बी अकॉर्डिंग टू माय ऑडियंस. अगर मेरा ऑडियंस फीमेल है, then my topic has to be focused on a women centric. If my audience is men, my topic has to talk more about which is men centric. If my topic is about I'm going to present to children, my topic has to be focused more on child centric. The same topic can be spoken in different terms. ठीक है. So suppose if I am talking on love, my emotion of love for women in the form of explanation can be different because women बहुत soft होती हैं. In terms of men, can be responsibilities towards family. Men are not so much in showing off their emotions in the form of flowers and bouquets, but they take that responsibility and they take that pain to fulfill that responsibility. That is how they show love. And for a child, the love means मम्मी पापा का प्यार होना, साथ में होना, hug करना, toys देना and all that. So it has to be centric, the audience centric, कि किसको मैं present करने वाली हूँ, what is the age group of my audience. Okay. And the last one is growth mindset. Growth mindset means any person, it can be anyone, any person who is not willing to grow will not like to present in front of the audience. ठीक है. मतलब एक बच्चा होता है क्लास में जो बैक बेंचर होता है, एंड टीचर क्वेश्चन पूछ रही होती है, इज लाइक ऑलवेज हाइडिंग. देयर इज नो ग्रोथ माइंडसेट इन द चाइल्ड. When there is a growth mindset in the child will definitely raise the hand, चाहे वो पीछे बैठा हो, चाहे वो आगे बैठा हो. That is growth mindset. अभी ये growth mindset कैसे आता है, जिसके लिए बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज होते हैं wherein we give challenge to the children कि ये करके दिखाओ. ठीक है. अब वो बच्चा, suppose you have given a building blocks बनाएगा, इतना बढ़ाएगा, it will fall. इतना बनाएगा, it will fall. Again वो करता जाएगा. That means the child, अगर repetition हो रहा है, the child is doing it again and again, the child has got the growth mindset. And then you can motivate the child. See, you have tried so many times, you failed, but still you kept on trying. That means you have to keep on practicing, you have to keep on performing, you have to keep on participating. Failure doesn't mean that you don't have to do it again. So growth mindset we have to build up by talking to them. ठीक है. Got it? Okay. Yeah. Any doubt so far?
No.
Okay. Now talking about debate, speech, the group discussion, definitely they are the part of public speaking. But if we build up more of confidence, body language, and the way of presentation before indulging into speeches, debate, and group competitions in front of big audience, that will be better because child ज़्यादा confident होगा to present the topic. ठीक है. Definitely they are the part of public speaking. Speech है, debate है, group discussion है, extempore है, they are the part of public speaking. But उसके पहले जो layers आते हैं, वो body language, voice modulation, all these things that I have explained, these things comes. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. Now you want to play one more game? Voice modulation? Yeah. Who all are ready or tired?
No, not at all, ma'am.
Okay. So I want you to all to write one sentence. Now, but this time you're not going to speak your own sentence. I'll call out the name. So suppose I call out Charu. Charu will speak of what she has written. Okay. Charu will tell us what she has written. And that other person will perform on the voice modulation, what will be coming on the screen. Okay. Okay. So quickly write down one sentence, only one small sentence so that we all, most of you can get the chance to participate. And just allow me for a minute. I'm coming back. Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ready with your small sentences, okay? Yeah. So, Sheetal, what you have written?
I so wish that I would own a stationery shop.
Can you repeat a little bit slow?
I so wish that I would own a stationery shop.
Okay. Everyone got it? Yeah. So I'll call out anyone's name randomly, and I'm going to share this time Kanchan. Kanchan, are you there? Okay. Nilofer, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So her sentence was, I'll ask her to repeat one more time. So what you have to do is I'm going to share one picture on the screen and you have to work on your voice modulation. So now whatever Sheetal has said, you have to speak up with the tone of a king, as if you are the king, and you have to speak the same sentence in the tone of a king.
Yeah, ma'am. So
Sheetal,
I would like what it was, please.
yes, please.
I so wish that I would own a stationery shop.
Or we
I so wish that I own a stationery shop. There it is.
Like a king. It has to be bold and a high voice.
You can hear me, ma'am? Clear now?
Yes. You have to speak like a king, so it has to be a bold one.
Yeah. I so wish that I owns a stationery shop. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes. Okay. Before moving ahead, I want whosoever has written their sentence now, please one by one speak up and everyone else write down. Okay, so that we don't have to repeat again and again. Gayatri, have you written
Ma'am,
anything?
can I say my sentence? Because I'm, too much of hassle.
Yes.
So can I say the sentence, right?
You can say, anyone else has written the sentence?
Yeah, ma'am, I have.
Please repeat your sentence. Speak your sentence, please.
We should give regards to everyone.
We should give regards to everyone. And I'm showing you your character.
Yeah.
We should give regards to
everyone.
Okay. Nilofer, you have got a pretty one. So you have to be soft and gentle and sweet.
We should give regards to everyone.
Okay, a little bit more soft.
We should give
Close your
regards.
eyes and imagine yourself, you are a fairy.
Yeah, I'm just thinking. We should give regards to everyone.
Yes, nice one. Who wants to participate
Thank
next?
you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Nilofer. Who wants to participate next? Deepika, are you there? Kinderbirds. Shravani. Gayatri, are you ready?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Nilofer, have you written any sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Please say
I'm
your
not
sentence
written
and
it, but I know
Gayatri,
like
you say your sentence and Gayatri will perform on it.
it's awesome to see peacock dancing in the rain.
It's awesome to see peacock dancing on the rain.
Yeah, in the rain.
In the rain, okay.
Yeah.
Let's see what's your character is. Okay, now this is a cute baby. You have to be as gentle and as cute as a baby, so it has to come up with a baby tone, not a fairy tone. There's a difference. Baby, not baby fairy tone, but a baby tone.
That is fine. It's awesome to see peacock dancing in the rain.
That was absolutely nice one. Anyone else who wants to say and the same sentence with a baby tone? Anyone else? Okay, now let's continue with the same statement like a boss. Who wants to go? Charu?
Yeah, ma'am.
Like a boss. The same statement. Let's do it with the same statement.
Okay. It's awesome to see peacock dancing in the rain.
A little bit more bossy.
It's awesome to see peacock dancing in the rain.
Little bit more. थोड़ा
More?
you know bosses कैसे थोड़ा rude से होते हैं ना, just like that.
Okay. It's awesome to see peacock dancing in the rain.
Yes, nice one. Anyone else? Like a lion, roar. See, why we are practicing is because we want to give children enough practice to work on their voice modulation. So when children can be narrating a story, so when they're narrating a story, they should be able to, you know, bring up those voices when they're narrating the story, so that becomes engaging for the audience to get the hook. Yeah. Who else wants to say with the tone of lion? Sheetal, you want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It's awesome to see a peacock dancing in the rain.
This was perfectly very awesome, I would say.
Right.
Yes, thank you. Great.
Yeah.
Who wants to try with a cat?
Yes,
Please go ahead.
can I do it? Sheetal here.
Yes, Sheetal, please.
It's awesome to see a peacock dancing in the rain.
Wow, wonderful. I think we all should clap for her. That was amazing. Sheetal, are you a storyteller?
Yes, ma'am.
I got it. Nice one, actually. Nice one. Wonderful. So by practicing different voices, we give practice to the children to work on their voice modulation. So even if they're delivering their speech or delivering any story narration, they should be able to, you know, present themselves in front of the audience with different voice modulation, because voice modulation is the thing which keeps audience engaged. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I think we have covered for the public speaking. The prerequisite for public speaking, as I already mentioned, the child, agar Hindi ke liye aa raha hai, public speaking can be in any language. It's not necessary or mandatory that it has to be in English only. Though most of the students who are coming to us are, English speakers. So prerequisite, just be language mein public speaking karna hai, the child should be able to speak and should have a grip on that language, at least on the average level. ठीक है, बिकॉज अगर ग्रामर नहीं सही होगा, इंग्लिश ही बोलना नहीं आ रहा है, पेरेंट कम अप की पब्लिक स्पीकिंग क्लास ले लो, फर्स्ट उनको पहले बोलना सिखाना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो दैट इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ इन माय केस आई कुड से स्पोकन इंग्लिश. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ हाउ यू कैन डिवाइड योर स्पोकन इंग्लिश course is you have to work out on the body language, your voice modulation, paces, pitches, and your pauses. You have to build up the confidence. You have to work out on the thought structure, and you have to work out on the mindset, growth mindset. That is very important. अगर बच्चे को वो interest ही नहीं है कि मुझे आगे बढ़ना है, तो nothing will work out. ठीक है?
Ma'am, can I interrupt?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, there are few students who are coming to me and they don't want to go for grammar first. They want to go for spoken English. And they don't know how to frame the sentences even.
See, spoken English mein na, I'll come to that also. Spoken English mein we don't cover a detailed grammar part.
Right.
What we cover mostly is your verbs, tenses, your proverbs, your phrases, your idioms, your jawbreakers, which beautify your sentences. So having a full command of grammar is not the prerequisite of spoken English, because spoken English is different from written English. So what we write in English is little bit different what we speak in English. So जो grammatical errors होते हैं, जिनको हम grammatical errors बोलते हैं, spoken में अलग हो जाते हैं और written में अलग हो जाते हैं. तो spoken में हमारा focus होता है the sentence should be understood whatever the person is speaking. Now it doesn't mean कि grammar broken होना चाहिए. Grammar obviously समझ तो आना चाहिए past, present, future and the verbs, लेकिन it doesn't have to be very perfect one. What we do in spoken English that कि confidence होना चाहिए कि at least I can speak in English. And जैसे जैसे हम बोलते हो, जो written grammar होता है और जो spoken grammar होता है, उसका difference ये होता है. Written में we work on proficiency and perfection, but spoken में we want कि the child should be or the student should be able to at least express whatever thoughts is coming in the mind. ठीक है? And we work on most of the time we work on verbs and tenses, and then उसके पीछे से हमारा simultaneously चलता है proverbs, phrases, idioms, jawbreakers, ठीक है. So these all things beautify the sentences. तो स्पोकन इंग्लिश के लिए परफेक्ट ग्रामर होना जरूरी नहीं है, बट थॉट स्ट्रक्चर बनाने के लिए we definitely go with verbs and tenses. That is the
So initially we should start with the basic grammar part.
See, you can work on noun pronoun, but that is not the concern there in spoken part. The concern is your sentence structure, as in you can
So that means we can just rectify it, right?
yes, you can rectify and you can get the upper layer का information कि articles में a and the आता है,
right.
noun में name place so उसको worksheet की practice देने की जरूरत नहीं है, but you can definitely tell, because जब thought structure को हम sentence को हम जब proper structure में frame करेंगे, then we need to tell them कि your sentence need to start with this, you know, articles or demonstrative pronoun or this noun. तो that way the child should know कि noun किसको बोलते हैं, pronoun किसको बोलते हैं, and articles किसको बोलते हैं, and where your verb should be aligned. तो ये एक upper layer का हो सकता है, no need to go in the depth for spoken English.
Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and where was I? I just can someone help me? I just lost the flow.
You were telling about the job breakers on spoken English.
Yeah, so that is the job breakers. Yeah, so prerequisite of public speaking is the child should be able to speak the language. Okay, and you can divide your session based on the pillars of the public speaking that I have mentioned. Number of sessions is ideally 36 to 40. So don't go more than 30, because then उसके आगे का जो होगा वो level advanced हो जाएगा. So we are not working on advanced level because they are a little bit more complex and complicated. So we are working on the basic level because हमारे पास जो बच्चे आने वाले वो पहले basic level ही करने के लिए आने वाले हैं. And as in you all will be starting with the public speaking classes, you will definitely be working on yourself also and the children also. तो साथ में जब खुद के ऊपर वर्क करना है और बच्चों के साथ वर्क करना है, तो the recommendation is to start with the basic level. ठीक है?
5+ is the age for the basic level.
I would recommend for grade to start with grade 3 onwards, because 5 years से अगर start करोगे and if the child is not speaking in English, it will be taking more of your energy and time in just making them settle down in the class.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
So if you want to have more result, start with grade 3 or even grade 2 is fine. But जितने छोटे बच्चों के साथ लोगे ना, you will be more busy in making them understanding कि body language में हाथ को हिला, hand movements करना है, eye contact करना है. बड़े बच्चों के साथ you have given the instruction and the child should be able to follow it, right? And छोटे बच्चों के साथ we need to work out on their fine motors, gross motors and all of the making them sit and settle on the class. तो वो आधा से ज़्यादा time उसमें ही चला जाएगा. However, it's your personal choice. If you want to do, you can do. That's your personal choice. But I would recommend to start with at least grade 2 or 3.
Fine.
So that you can move ahead with list of instructions, and more of result.
Ma'am, one question.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's related to the Hindi spoken, if the child doesn't know anything. Hello, you can hear me?
No, it's not proper actually.
Ma'am, what will be the content for 36 to 40 sessions?
That will be shared obviously in the other session, that is the paid session. But then 36 to 40 sessions is ideal if you want to have a good and sound result out of the course.
Okay. So you are conducting that paid session?
Yeah, I am planning to do that in the month of at the end of August, I suppose. July I was planning, but let's see if it is going to be at the end of July or at the end of August. Definitely not in the initial of the beginning of the August. So या तो जुलाई के एंड में होगा या फिर अगस्त के एंड में होगा. अगस्त के शुरू में नहीं होगा because there is something else coming there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Now you can hear me?
Yes. But
Can you hear me?
I would request you to please be a little bit louder because again the voice is not so very clear.
Yeah, now you can hear?
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to ask you about the Hindi spoken class. Like, if the child doesn't know any Hindi, nothing about Hindi, हाँ, तो जब उसको कराना है हिंदी, तो how it works like? तो पहले like they know to read. अब reading आ गई है, they know to, if I say the word, they know to write. But जो meaning होता है, like how we speak, the spoken Hindi.
Yeah.
So how to
Yeah. So spoken Hindi is not the part of this session, and I don't take a spoken English, so that is not my expertise here.
Hindi.
But yeah, definitely I can help you by saying that you need to ask the parents to speak Hindi in at home, and you can have spoken Hindi classes as in terms of talking and doing conversation on regular, the things that are happening on regular basis. So that is your daily routine. Okay, so you need to do a lot of talking in Hindi. So that is
Okay,
how you're
ma'am.
going to
Okay.
improve your Hindi. The child is Indian or somewhere outside?
Indian only, ma'am. Like in most South Indians, mostly they don't speak. Like now, where I have been, I take Hindi classes.
So you
But
need
the
to work
problem
out.
is like, yeah, they know
So you need
everything,
to,
but the conversation is like more of
so you need to
difficult.
work out on two things. One is vocabulary, other one is translation.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, will you
And
take
for spoken English, as I said already, that most of the time we do for the topics to sare honge, but upper layer mein honge, but most of the time we cover the verbs and the tenses and other things that I've already mentioned. So there are two aspects. One is my course will be coming. I will be telling you the dates. The date will be announced soon. Or you can take a franchisee or Speakwell. I have recently taken this franchisee wherein you would be getting the books by them. So the books are ready. You will be getting the PPT also, not PPT, I would say that's a PDF which you can use as a screen share on the as a screen share if you're conducting online session. And for offline session, you will be getting books. I'll show you the books as well. This is starting from, they have started from senior KG itself. So this is for level 1. This is a thick book when all the practice are given. They have shared the PDFs also, but I cannot show it to you here because that's not my right to show you their PDF. However, if you want to connect with them, I can connect with them. This is for level 1, one book. This is a thick book. This is for level 2. Again, this is a thick book. So everything is covered. You just need to open up the book and solve and do the lessons. Again, they have given 40 chapters for each level. Okay. For level 3, they have 2 books. Okay, this is book 1, this is book 2. These are 2 books for the level 3. And this is for level 4 for the bigger students, you can start from 5th or 6th onwards. Okay, again, this is a thick book. Now, if any of you are willing, would like to me to connect with them, you can ping me on personal window. I'll connect with them, but they have a requirement. They're not currently taking for Pune and Mumbai. They are taking from other areas. However, the minimum requirement is to place order for 20 or 25 kids. The amount goes to approximately 30,000. The initial investment, that is, they will be providing the PDFs for these books as well, so that you can conduct your offline as well as online. Offline with the books, online with your the PDF format, and they will be giving you the training as well on the books, how you're going to use a book. The training will be free. Okay, now any questions, anyone? We are done with that. Hope you all have got some information, enjoyed the session.
What's
Ma'am,
the
one particular
sorry, one by one, please.
Ma'am, one you showed for KG1, KG2 students has to be used.
You're not audible,
What will
Shravani.
be there in level 1 and level 2, ma'am? In that big
Level 1 has phonics as well.
Phonics
As well, because they are starting from senior KG, so it covers phonics as well. However, phonics is not so much covered in level 2, 3, and 4. But for level 1, they have phonics. As
vocabulary will increase.
Sorry?
Vocabulary will increase.
Everything is there. Everyday lesson is there. They have vocabulary. They have all these phrases, proverbs, idioms, jawbreakers. They have grammar part, role plays, conversation. Everything is there. Picture talk. Lots of things are there. Okay.
What if we want to take a sample? Do they provide that?
They would not provide you the sample of the whole book, though they will be providing you a little bit of, a few of the pages as in the format of sample, because even I asked for the sample and they sent me, but that is only few of the pages wherein they will be, mentioning all this level, this page. They have given the content day wise. So every level has got 40 chapters. So you can cover in 40 sessions. And as per their curriculum, the class has to be 1.5 hours. However, their books, their curriculum is totally customizable. So that means you can customize according to your requirement, your students. and your classes. It can be every day, it can be alternative days, it can be twice a week, your requirement, your choice, but it is 40 sessions, 40 chapters.
So these books are basically for the kids, right?
This one is for the kids. However, they also have for adults. That is a little bit more costlier though, but these are for the kids. And minimum requirement, as I said, 30,000 investment hai, wherein they will be giving you 20 or 25 sets. And it is not open for Pune and Mumbai, unfortunately, because they have closed that.
Ma'am, all levels are included in this.
For kids starting from senior KG till grade 9, 8 and 9.
Okay.
Level 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to, if you're placing order with them, you need to take all the levels. Mix karke le sakte hain. So you need to take all the levels.
Fine.
And Neetu, I will be sharing the details on the WhatsApp group all about this public speaking and spoken English. Jo bhi details hoga, I will be sharing that. Definitely, I will be sharing. And whatsoever is your doubt, even after, after this session, you can ping on the group or in personal window. So in group, it would be more sort of, I would be able to see that, because personal mein kai baar piche chala jata hai. So now again, you may ping in personal as well. For now, any doubt? Any more
Ma'am,
questions?
you having any session in morning?
The
Any
session
upcoming
will be in the
sessions in morning?
No, the session will be in morning only, because evening I get exhausted. That becomes a little bit difficult for me.
Because this is the best time actually.
Yeah, so this is the only
kids
time
go
that
to
I am
school.
available from 10:30 till 12:30 or 12:40.
Right.
Evening may, if ever I have to take, that is a little bit exhausting for me, but not
Because
planning.
last day I have taken from you was in evening, late evening.
That time the schedule,
Undisturbed
other
between
things were there on the plate, so that was the schedule were different. Now the things are different. So right now I'm fresh and more available in morning timings.
That's good, ma'am. Favorable to me.
Thanks. Okay, now before saying a small bye, because we are still connected, we will still be connecting the group. Just request to everyone to open up the video so that we can take a happy face. I can see Deepika, Jagriti, Riya, Nilofer, Sheetal, Kanchan. Sheetal, are you there? There are two Sheetals actually. One is Sheetal.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Both are Sheetal K only. I can't go. Okay.
I'm here.
Yeah. Deepika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can't hear you. Okay. Shall we all say cheese and show this? Or rather show this for public speaking. Yes, anyways. Yeah. Smile, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Also, all done. I'll share the photograph in the group. And for recording, let me check out. If possible, I will share. If not possible, please excuse me for that. As I already mentioned. Okay?
If it is sent, it will be great, ma'am.
Sorry?
If it is sent, then it will be great, like, for me.
I
Even the grammar thing is left, actually.
Ma'am, she was traveling now. She's saying if you can share, then it would be great for her.
Great,
okay.
yeah.
Let me.
Yes, she was traveling.
Yeah.
I can understand, but still, let me just have a look on that matter. Yeah. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, share your feedback on the group, whatever is.
We enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Please sign out, because I'll end at the moment, at the last.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, Kanchan. Bye-bye.